Peoples. Back walking up the street with my mom, my granddad, and my little brother. Then they go look at this damage.
Miss Smith was sitting on the front porch through the whole tornado.
You lying?
I ain't lying.
How you know?
Cause we walked right in and she said I was sitting on the porch and I was like, I had seen her before I closed the door.
I ain't seen Miss Smith. I don't even know who I am anymore.
If you remind her, she probably do. She got the mind of a dinosaur.
Oh yeah, y'all. This is where Miss Smith stay right here. She used to be sitting outside every time I get out of school, but.
And they said the dog didn't get her.
Shut up, man. I ain't supposed to know that. Man, that dog had teeth like man. I don't know though. I ain't even trying to find out what kind of teeth it had, but yeah, we still walking. Stop talking and let y'all see this. I want to walk all the way down here to Belt. I can't leave, bro.
Get the Bethel.
Keep on walking down the street. Is Bethel like? I mean, I know, but I mean, what kind of shape is it? For real?
Yep.
Wow.
Gone?
You want to see gone? You want to see gone too?
Oh, they got different things.
If you don't believe us, do you?
So Huntington Hill is okay?
Yeah, honey. Well, some messed up back there, but.
Oh. Oh, man. That's right. I know you ain't no little girl. I just want you to hold my hand so you won't be dead out here. I don't know what I'm talking about. Damn, let me go out here and pick up this leaf.
No, I told her. That's all right. You just gonna get this leaf up?
Oh, they're gonna pop my wait. This the back of Timber Ridge Apartments right here. I mean, you can't see for real, but you go down there on Cherry Avenue, man, it's messed up. Like for real. Nigga right here must just graduated from high school.
Right.
I don't know, he look young, I don't know.
Oh, they doing it now. That's how they doing it. So they got bulldozers, moving stuff, bulldozers.
Oh, so, yeah, that's back there, by where Jared stay.
They take it.
But yeah, we finna walk down here towards Delta Baptist.
Shoot. That house got a lot of damage.
Yeah.
Too much. Got them on the roof. And they probably just got this. Well, I know that's good.
Damn, this house right here. Damn. Damn, G. Good, that house right here, Jack. Oh, man.
Oh, here's just some more. If there was a house over here and it had all those trees, it was brittle than just with all the trees on the house, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Way just up.
Should've got my bike and rolled down here, goddamn.
You don't got no bike.
You gonna tell me what I got?
You have a motorcycle.
House caved in, man, by a tree. Big ass tree. Excuse my cousin, but man, I grew up around here, man. It's all crazy.
You grew up down here.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be straight down here. If you made it. You destroy the room and the whole house.
That's true. You gotta be quiet now. I'm making a video. God out. Damn, look at the church, dog. The church is fucking gone, man. Ah, shit. Oh my God, bro. That shit gone. Trying to show y'all the church right now. This shit just shocked the hell out of me right now. Like, for real. Shit just shocked the hell out of me. Real talk. No lie. We finna get up close to it, though, man. Damn, this house right here. Blessed as hell. Like, for real, they blessed, man. It's the only house standing with no damage. This house is blessed, like, for real. Look like it's untouched. I'm just gonna walk over here for a second. Hope I ain't speak too soon. Really and truly, I hope I ain't speak too soon. But these folks right here, they blessed, man. House untouched. Real talk. But man, this is the church, man. Y'all can see that. Man, that was a big, full-grown church, man. Gone. It's on gone. But yeah, though, I'm gonna be right back, man. I'm finna walk down here to the church. It's gonna take a little minute.